Hello, welcome back to Guidancee Education Channel. This is a channel for plus 1 and plus 2, that is class 11 and class 12, physics and chemistry. The portions in each chapter is given as playlist, so you can visit the channel, then select the required playlist and watch. Thank you very much. In this video, we are continuing class 11 chemistry, chapter 3, classification of elements and periodicity of properties. We have already discussed 4 early attempts of classification by different scientists. In this video, we will do the 5th one, Mendeleev's periodic table. We will discuss the characteristics of Mendeleev's periodic table, do the merits, and also see the demerits. Watch the video completely so that you get all points cleared. And if you think the video is useful, do like the video, share the video with your friends, and also leave your feedbacks as comments in the comment box below. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, do subscribe it now, and also press the bell button and all button for notification of more videos like this. Thank you very much for your support. Come, let us start the video. In this video, we will discuss one more such earlier attempt which gained more attention and popularity. In 1872, Mendeleev put forward a more comprehensive classification. This was known as Mendeleev periodic table. He studied the physical and chemical properties of elements. He studied the chemical properties of elements by studying nature of hydrides and oxides of these elements. The formula of hydrides and oxides of elements were made the basis of classification. About 63 elements were known at that time. Similar elements were placed in the same vertical rows called groups. There were 9 groups numbered from 0 to 8. First group elements formed oxides of the formula R2O. Second group RO. Third group R2O3. And fourth group RO2. 5 R2O5. Sixth group RO3. Seventh group R2O7. And eighth group RO4. The zero group elements, being non-reactive, did not form oxides. Similarly, the zero group does not form hydrides. Formula of hydrides of the first group was RH, that of second group RH2, third group RH3, fourth group RH4, fifth group RH3, sixth group RH2, seventh group RH. So you can see that the basis of classification is the formula of hydrides and oxides. Excepting the zero group and eighth group, all the other groups are classified into 2 subgroups, A group and B group. Mendeleev periodic law. It states that when elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic weights, their properties repeat at regular intervals. What are the characteristic features of Mendeleev periodic table? As already stated, there are 9 groups numbered from 0 to 8. Excepting 0 and 8 group, all groups are divided into 2 subgroups A and B based on their small differences. Group 8 contains 9 elements in groups of 3. 0 group has only 1 column of elements, that is inert elements. There are 6 horizontal rows called series or periods. Let us see the merits of Mendeleev periodic table. It was more systematic. Knowing the property of one element, the property of others in the group can be predicted. He left certain gaps in the periodic table and predicted the discovery of some elements. He even predicted their properties. Examples are Eka aluminium, which was later on discovered and named as germanium. And another one was Eka silicon, which was later on discovered and named as gallium. Their properties also coincided with the predicted properties. He was able to correct the atomic weight of elements. Example, beryllium, the atomic weight was corrected as 9. In spite of all these merits, Mendeleev periodic table had some defects as well. Let us see the demerits. First one, anomalous position of hydrogen. Anomalous means abnormal. Hydrogen resembles first group elements and also the halogens, but it is placed along with the first group. Though he arranged elements in the increasing order of their atomic weights in certain places, or in the case of certain elements, the increasing order of atomic weight is ignored or it is not considered. For example, potassium has atomic weight equal to 39.1 and argon has atomic weight equal to 39.9. So argon should be placed after potassium. But Mendeleev has placed potassium after argon. Similarly, cobalt should be placed after nickel, but nickel is placed after cobalt. Also, iodine is placed after tellurium. In all these cases, increasing order of atomic weight is ignored. Mendeleev arranged the various elements in the increasing order of atomic weights. But isotopes of the same element which have different atomic mass are not provided any place. For example, hydrogen has three isotopic forms, protium, deuterium and tritium with atomic weight 1, 2 and 3. But Mendeleev has provided only position for hydrogen, that is the form with atomic weight equal to 1. Several other elements also have isotopes. None of them are given suitable positions in the periodic table. In some cases, it is observed that some dissimilar elements are grouped together. For example, lithium, sodium, potassium, which belong to group 1A, are placed along with copper, silver, and gold, that is group 1B. You may note that all these elements come under the same group, that is group 1. At the same time, some similar elements are grouped in different groups. Example, copper and mercury. Copper comes under group 1B and mercury comes under group 2B. Elements in group 8 are not allotted proper places. In group 8, elements are arranged in 3 groups of triads. No explanation or justification is given. Because of these shortcomings, scientists continue to work on classification and find out a better way of classifying elements. Now we follow the modern periodic table, actually a modified modern periodic table which was first introduced by Moseley. We will discuss that classification in the next video. I hope this video was of great use to you. If you think it is useful, do like the video, share the video with your friends and also leave your feedbacks as comments in the comment box below. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, do subscribe it now. Subscriptions are totally free. Also press the bell button and all button so that you get intimated as soon as new videos are posted. Thank you very much. Bye for the present. Take care.